Practice C. We need to solve this equation, and notice that the x is not on the far left like it normally is, and it would be easier to see how to undo this equation if we could switch the order of the 3.5 and the x. But since the two are being subtracted, we can't just flip them around, because remember that you're only allowed to change the order of two things that are being added or multiplied. But remember also that we can change any subtraction to addition of the opposite. So next, I'm going to change this minus sign to a plus sign, and then I'll change x to its opposite. Okay, now that the items on the left-hand side are being added, it's okay for us to switch their order. Now, with the equation in this form, it's far easier to see how to undo it. Notice that we have 3.5 being added to x, and you know that to undo any addition, we just have to subtract the very same number. So next, we'll subtract 3.5 from both sides. Now, on the left, the subtraction of 3.5 will undo the addition of 3.5, leaving just the opposite of x. And on the right, we need to subtract these two decimals, and that leaves us with this. But we aren't done yet, because remember, we're solving for x, and so far we've just solved for the opposite of x. So we need to change the opposite of x into x, and to do that, we just need to multiply both sides of the equation by -1. Alright, -1 times the opposite of x is just x, and -1 times 14.1 is -14.1. So, this is the answer to practice C.